what's up guys? It's your girl Alicia Nicole. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. First off, if you haven't done so, do me a favor, click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. Alright, let's jump right into it. Today we're going to do the low carb imitation crab salad. It's super delicious and I promise you'll love this recipe. It's super easy, it's super cheap, and it took me only about 20 minutes to make. First thing you're going to do is take your imitation crab and you're going to slice it and dice it. You're going to cut it to exactly how you like it. I don't like my pieces too thick, so I'm cutting mine a little bit thinner. And then I'm going to go in and separate the pieces. Next, I'm just going in with my red onion and I'm just going to dice that into small pieces. After you finish cutting up your onion, next you're going to go in with your celery stalk and you're just going to thinly slice, or however you like your slices. Just slice up your celery stalk and you're going to add that to the bowl. Next, you're going to take your whole lemon, and I'm just cutting mine in a few slices and removing the seeds before I juice my lemon. You're going to squeeze your lemon juice into the bowl with the rest of the contents. For seasoning, I'm going in first with my Old Bay, and I'm just gonna put a little bit. I don't want to put too much. I don't want it to be too salty, but I do want that Old Bay flavor. After that, I'm going in with my dill weed, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a generous amount. Guys, dill weed is the #1 thing you need for this recipe. It gives your crab salad such a good flavor. I can't explain it, but definitely don't want to miss the dill weed. Next, I'm going in with my mayonnaise, and guys, honestly, I cook from the soul. I am a soul food cook, and I don't really measure, so I'm just adding my ingredients as I go. After you've added your mayo, you're going to go ahead and mix everything together. As you can see here, I'm still separating some more pieces because I don't want my salad to be too clumpy. For my salad, I'm using some spring mix and some kale, and I'm just going to go ahead and put a bed of that on my plate. Here you can see I'm removing some of my stalk pieces from the kale. I don't really like the stems. They're a little bit too chunky, a little bit too hard for me for my salad. Next, I'm just going to add a generous amount of my crab salad on top of my kale and my spring mix. I'm actually not going to use salad dressing, so I'll make sure I put a good amount. I'm going in with some salad toppers, and this is from Aldi. It just has some sliced almonds, some sunflower kernels, and some pistachios. And that's just going to give my salad a little, a little touch, a little extraness. And to finish this off, I'm just going to add a lemon wedge, and that's for garnish. You can add that on top of your salad for an extra sweetness without the sugar. And that is it for this video. The recipe is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, please do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Recommend this video. Show your girlfriends, show your guy friends. Pass it around, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.